in this video I'm gonna show how to create users and how to add an admin user to your AWS account. In the moment that you have created an account, the first user that is created is the root user. Actually, AWS does not recommend the users to use for their daily operating tasks, the root user, but to create admin users or other users depends on what kind of permissions or what kind of tasks do they have in this account. So you can create admin users, you can create users that they have certain permissions, like only permission to an instance, or different kind of permissions like full access, or you can give only view access. Depends on what kind of tasks they have for that services or for your account that you have created. First, we log in with a root user, we sign in, and in this video I'm going to show how to create an admin user and how to operate in your account with your admin user. So I am in my first page, and I go to IAM. This is the service that allows you to create users. I have already created some users before, but in this video I'm going to show how to create a user. The users, you can create even groups. You can group the users. For example, you have some users that they are like an admin, and also you have users that they are you have users that you can create as viewers, or users that they have different kind of tasks, and you can group these users. When you group them, you create a group here. I have already created my group, which is an admin, and if you open it, I have give some of the permissions, but if you want to add it, you can do changes. So with this group, there are 2 users already created. If you want, you can delete the group and you can create a new one, or you can go to create group, give the name, let's say admin, and then give administrator access. There are so many privileges and permissions that you can give to the group, but for the admin users, I'm going to use only the administrator. That is a full access that your user is going to have in all the services, and there are other privileges. They are less access and they are more specified. Since I have already created my group, you can go and create the group. Since I have already created, I'm going to use the one that I have already created before. So I leave it, and I have my user that I have created. I go to the users, and let's create a new user that's going to be an admin. So I give the name. There are some rules how you can write the name. I go next, and I choose my group, or you can go and attach policies. You can choose other options. I recommend to create groups. This is better to organize even the users through the group. And I change the group that I already created a few days ago. And I go next, and I create the user. So now the user is ready. It's just created. I open. I see that I have administrator access. I see that I am part of this group, and here in security credentials I can go further and specify my admin user, and here is the console sign in. So with this enable console, you allow your user to access your account through the console. So this, from disable, I give enable. And here it allows me to set a password. It is an auto-generated password. It is a custom password, or it is one time. You create the password, and then when you log in, you have to create your personal password. So it depends on what case you are. I'm going to use this one. And here is my password, and I apply it. Here you can download your file. The file already has the URL. This is very important. And let's download, and has all your information about this account, the username and the password. This is very important to know because this is going to help you to access your account in the future, this URL. So I close it, and let's log out from my account, and let's copy. I already copied my URL, and let's paste. And here you are. You can use let's not now. So we are logging in your account. We open it, and as you can see now we are in our admin user. With the admin user you cannot see the billing of your account, so only the root user can access your billing information. You can go to AC tool. You can see your instances. Okay, so we can see that the instances are here, and we can launch new instances. We can change the status of the instance, and we can let's try to change the status running. Let's try to reload it. It's still in pending. Test. We can go to Ubuntu and try to access all the information that you normally do with your account. And you can create a key test, and you can allow this anywhere, configuration storage, and you can launch your instance. So you are able to perform. So let's wait it. Let's go to the instances, and the test is in pending. As you can see now, my operating system Windows instance is changing. The status is in initialization, and my instance is creating and is in pending status, so it's going to take some time to start running. So it's already running, and now it's going to go through the initialization, and we can go to IAM here, and you can see all the users and the groups just like a root user. So everything is running normally and accessing normally, just like as a root canal. So this is just to show you how you can access your account through your admin user. You can create even other users, depends on what kind of privileges you want to do. And you can create them with a root user, or you can use even admin users to create them. So I log out. And let's go back to my terminal, and we go to I go next. I go to IAM, and I delete my user that I just created. I go here, and we delete it. So the user is deleted. So this is how you can access and how you can manage your accounts with admin user.